Have you just purchased a portable 200-watt solar panel from Air Gear? If so, this video is for you. Hi everyone, I'm Brad from 13 Adventures. Join me as I show you how to set up and break down your portable solar panel for your next adventure. I'm going to take this from packaging to set it up, show you how quick that is. First step I want to do is remove my wiring and my charge controller here. I'm going to take this in and I'm going to plug it into my Zamp plug panel up here. Right away, I get a green light on the battery indicator telling me that the battery is connected and everything's working as it should. Next, I'm going to unzip the back bag here. Remove the panel. Point it towards the sun. Put out the legs. Lean it back. From here, I want to take my 25-foot cable. And I'm going to plug one end in to the other port on here. And the other end will go around to the panel. That's it. That's how fast this thing sets up. I can see that the indicator is flashing, therefore telling me it's charging my battery. Now, putting this away is exactly reverse order from setting it up, and we're going to do that now. Disconnect from your solar panel. Select your wiring. Has a nice Velcro strip here to keep it tied up nicely. Remove the solar plug and put the cover back on. Hold up your panels. And one caution to you, if this has been sitting in the sun for a while, these pieces may be very hot to the touch. So a set of gloves or wait till it cools off some before you pick this thing up. Grab your storage bag. Just like that, we're done. Let's go inside. I'm going to show you one more feature about this that I really like. One of my absolute favorite aspects of this portable panel from Air Gear is that it fits nicely inside of most Airstream closets. And I can shut the door all the way. Very simple to use, very wonderful product, and I'm happy to have this in my arsenal of supplies for my Airstream. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.